Camper Build 2.0 final episode. I had a hard deadline and my visa clock was ticking fast. Stress levels were all-time high. The team was pushing overtime and I was trying to hold it all together. We wrap up the final wiring, ran the extra hoses to get the coolant flowing through the heat exchanger. One step closer to the hot shower on the road. Inside, the bamboo floor and the kitchen bench were getting the final touches. I've always loved the feel of it. Simple, warm. I used to put the fuel up on the roof, but now I've mounted them lower to bring the center of gravity down. Better balance, easier access, and way more practical. Then came to the roof rack. We cut down the ARBs to save weight, and we used the old mounting legs to hold up the solar panel. Nothing wasted, just reworked to fit the new setup. Looking back now, it all came together in this final spring, just in time. That's a wrap on the build, but the journey in Maze 4 is only beginning. Now, it's time to drive.